we will begin with the program. Again, we request those who are still outside and those who are at the back to please.
Say I'm not enough. I'm more the sum of losses, every high and every low. You say I'm not, and I can feel a thing. You say I'm strong, when I think I'm weak. You say I'm yours, and I believe.
Renato O. Arazo. Guest speaker, Dr. Miraflor B. Imata of Manayan de Oro School of Arts and Trades. Deans, directors, officers, faculty and staff, graduates, awardees, and proud parents and guardians and family members, students, guests and visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today we gather to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and remarkable achievements of our graduates. This event is a testament of perseverance, resilience, and commitment to excellence. Each accolade received today represents countless hours of study, effort, and sacrifice. Parents, you are the silent strength behind every success story we celebrate today. Your encouragement, understanding, and endless belief in your children have been the bedrock upon which these achievements have been built. Congratulations to all awardees, graduates, and heartfelt gratitude to all parents and guardians. Welcome and enjoy the ceremony.
We are the last batch of the so-called pandemic learners, or the batch who started online class, the shift mode of learning due to the health crisis. We began our journey with anticipation, and we go through the journey even if there are doubts and uncertainty or along the way.
I have the honor to present to you 12 magna cum laudes, 84 cum laudes, 22 with high merits, and 84 with merits. As the Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs and Acting Registrar, I have the honor to certify that these 202 academic honors have satisfied the criteria set by the university system in evaluating and awarding academic honors.
Dr. Renato O. Arazo, Chancellor, will now make declaration and conferment of the academic honors.
By the power and authority vested in me as the Chancellor, I confer that all the academic honors and awards of Class 2024 of USTP Claveria are in order per approval of the USTP Board of Regents. To all the recipients of academic excellence and Latin honors, congratulations.
Jessa Macy Augusto, Certificate of Agricultural Science with merit with a trial weighted average of 1.505. Archie D. Bartlett, Certificate of Agricultural Science. Nazo S. Apolinar, Certificate of Agricultural Science with merit with a trial weighted average of 1.615. Justin M. Sapa, Certificate of Agricultural Science with merit with a trial weighted average of 1.615. Cherilyn E. Argayoso, Certificate of Agricultural Science with
I give my heart. It will be completely, or I'll never give.
Thank you all for watching.